Layer 1, Shopify's core product. This is what you get as soon as you buy any Shopify plan. It includes everything you need to turn your idea into a business and start selling: templates for the look and feel of your store, tools to sell in multiple places online and in person, integrated payment processing, the best converting checkout on the internet. SEO and marketing tools, these are all part of Shopify's core product. This is the foundation upon which our other products and applications are built. And for those who want to fine-tune their store and experience, you get access to Shopify APIs and development tools to customize your store's capabilities even further. Layer 2, Shopify's additional products and services. Every independent business is unique. And as businesses grow, their needs evolve accordingly. That's why we offer our customers powerful upgrades to help them grow their business on our platform. From easier access to capital to accelerated payments options, these products and services are exclusive to Shopify customers and are designed to help independent business owners have a leg up in the market. Layer 3, Apps built by trusted partners. Shopify's App Store has thousands of apps and features built by third-party developers to customize your store without ever once touching the code. Anything you can dream up, there's an app that can help make it a reality. You'll find the most cutting-edge tools to grow your business in the App Store, whether it's the latest SMS app or the hottest new social media network's ad tools. There's also a marketplace of Shopify experts that you can hire to build custom solutions for your business. And if you want to dabble with the code yourself, you can do that, too. Out of the box, what you get with Shopify's core product. Think about the last time you bought a smartphone. Right out of the box, your smartphone can take photos and videos, connect to and browse the internet, offer navigation services, tell you the weather, and so on. In other words, out of the box, your smartphone allows you to do everything you need your handheld device to do. Shopify's core product, what you get on every Shopify plan, works the same way. Out of the box, Shopify is your one-stop shop to run your business. You get a storefront, a payment processor, a shipping partner, a back office, and marketing headquarters, all in one. These are the core functions of running a business. Storefront hosted online store. You instantly have a hosted online store where you can create web pages, upload blog posts, and of course, sell products. You can customize the look and feel of your store by changing the website template or theme. You can find the right theme for your business in the Shopify theme store. Note: Shopify offers free web hosting with all plans. A hosted platform means our servers work hard around the clock to get, and keep, your website up and running. We handle everything from your site's security to software updates, so that you don't have to. POS Lite. Shopify POS is a point-of-sale app that you can use to sell your products in person, including brick-and-mortar stores. Markets, and pop-up shops. Every Shopify plan comes with a free POS Lite plan. All you have to do is register a store in your admin and order your accompanying hardware. Payment processing. You can choose from over 100 payment gateways, or opt for Shopify Payments, which eliminates the hassle of setting up a third-party provider and saves you transaction fees. Whatever you choose, you're set up to accept all major payment methods and sell in 133 currencies.